Yo, what's up guys? I'm pretty dope. I'm so sorry man, मैं 4 दिन तक अपलोड नहीं कर पाया था because I was busy somewhere. मेरे को ना कुछ एक दो काम करवाने थे, फैमिली इश्यूज वगैरह थे, तो 4 दिन थोड़ा सा बाहर का चक्कर लग गया था. I was in Mumbai, but at the same time I was able to find one video on Mumbai. So I was like, you know what bro, let's record this video and post it on YouTube because 4 दिन I was busy. तो मेरे को लगा था कि वो consistency जो थी ना पिछले 5-6 दिनों की वो टूट गई. But we all gonna make up for that, okay? So without any further delay, let's see how Mumbai women would react on modern dating, money and love. और पता है इनके ओपिनियन से ना मेरा पॉइंट ही होता है कि आदमी को ना कुछ हमेशा सीखने को मिलता है. एंड इफ यू आर अ लर्नर पर्सनालिटी यू वुड डेफिनेटली लर्न अ लॉट अबाउट हाउ अ वुमन थिंक्स. इफ यू वांट टू डेट, इफ यू वांट टू मैरी, इट्स गोना हेल्प यू इन दैट. माय एवरी सिंगल वीडियो वुड मेक यू क्लोज टू अ रिलेशनशिप एंड इमोशनल मैच्योरिटी. सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले boys, let's get started and listen to the opinions of pretty women. So yeah, let's begin.
To date someone, guys that are still a liar because modern dating doesn't still cure liars. Leave situationships back in 2024.
Emotional cheating is the worst. I swear.
Get the fuck out of here.
This woman looks like every man cheated on her, but anyways, let's proceed.
Everyone has a past.
It shouldn't matter. It shouldn't matter.
Say yes.
It shouldn't matter.
Say yes, don't lie. Say yes.
You tell me. It shouldn't matter.
It doesn't matter to me, but to him it matters.
Yeah. Awesome. All right, guys. All right.
It's not a
Attention.
picture.
Come in here.
See, when I'm talking about, देखो मैं अपनी वीडियोस में पॉइंट रखता हूँ वो अलग होता ही है, बट लुक एट हाउ happy these people are. Okay, so when I'm talking about socializing, आप जब socialize करने लगते हो ना, it actually puts your brain into a better position. Because क्या है ना कि लोग ना पूरे दिन stressful रहते हैं, काम करते रहते हैं. I think आपको ना अपने लिए थोड़ा सा टाइम बाहर की दुनिया में फन के लिए निकालना चाहिए. Now, I'm not saying कि हर रोज करो, बट अगर आप महीने में 2-3 बार कर रहे हो गुड अमाउंट का, तो उसमें कोई भी बुराई नहीं है. Because I think everything we are chasing is just for freedom and fun, and doing it once in a while is good for your mental health, right? So it's very fun. People are smiling like in the interview and they are like helping each other. वो मस्ती कर रहे हैं, right? तो मेरा मोटिव ये है कि आप भी मस्ती करना सीखो. अगर आपने शुरू नहीं करा तो you would learn a lot. And I think the more you want to learn about a woman, you have to get exposure for that. अगर आप औरतों के बारे में सिर्फ theoretically जान रहे हो ना, तो मेरे को लगता है उसका पॉइंट है practically you got to show up out there, talk to them, and you understand the same things. तो आप you tend to become a better man as a whole. ठीक है? So I hope you got my point. So let's proceed with this video, boys. Let's go.
All right, guys. So,
Wait, you can't leave.
let's start. Okay.
She got bothered when bro left. Anyways. Okay, fun. Why the fuck is this intro so long, man? Start the video. Okay, so the question is, would you rather be rich and single or broke and in love? Okay, अब जिनको समझ नहीं आया, इसमें बेटा मोटा यूं पूछ रखा है कि आप क्या अमीर और सिंगल रहोगे या फिर गरीब और प्यार में? So let's see what women would say. Let's see, man.
Would you
Fun.
rather be rich and single or broke and in love?
Broke and in love. Rich and single. Rich and single. Rich and single. Rich and single.
Broke and in love.
Rich
Yeah, no doubt, bro. Broke and in love. The fuck.
and single. Rich and single.
Have you observed the pattern, one of absolute pattern, that people who think कि money doesn't matter? I'll tell you one thing. पता है क्या है? 21, 22, 23, 18, 19. These are the young and adult years, teen and adult years. ठीक है? जब एक औरत 24, 25, 26 की होती है ना, eventually she gets the practical slap from the world कि just your emotional feelings and intelligence won't make you survive. That's common sense. तो उनके ना back of the head में यूं हो जाता है कि bro, I need to have a man in my life who can take care of me after I'm done with the love part, like रोटी सब्जी खाना, घर पे रहना, ठीक है, basic survival needs. And for that they understand उसको तो पैसा चाहिए. अब हम आदमियों के साथ क्या होता है ना, हमें ना एक बहुत छोटी उम्र से समझा दिया जाता है कि अगर आप अपने पैरों पे नहीं खड़े होगे ना तो आपकी शादी नहीं हो सकती. That's why men tend to perform a lot better, क्योंकि उनको ना इनिशियली मतलब आप यूँ कह लो कंस्ट्रक्टिव क्रिटिसिज्म मिल चुका होता है, वेयर दे आर लाइक यू नो व्हाट ब्रो, आई नीड टू बिकम अ मैन, आई नीड टू ग्रो अप, मेरे को ना अपने आप को सर्टेन तरीके से बड़ा करना पड़ेगा, मेरे को पैसे कमाने पड़ेंगे, वरना समाज में मेरी कोई इज्जत नहीं होगी और मेरे को कोई औरत पसंद नहीं होगी. ये मेंटालिटी हो जाती है लड़कों की. दैट्स व्हाई दे टेंड टू बिकम फाइनेंशियली सक्सेसफुल क्विकर. ठीक है, अगर आपकी वो मेंटालिटी है तो मैं यूं नहीं कह रहा कि सारे हो जाते हैं, लेकिन जिनकी है वो हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, एंड द वुमेन हु आर सेइंग यस हियर, उनको इंपॉर्टेंस पता है मनी की. उन्होंने प्यार भी देखा हुआ है, लेकिन उनको इंपॉर्टेंस पता है मनी की. दैट्स व्हाई दे सेड रिच. फर्स्ट मेरे से कोई पूछेगा ना कि आप पैसा और सिंगल रहोगे या फिर ब्रोक और इन लव, मैं वैसे अपना खुद का आंसर बताऊंगा, प्यार के साथ पैसा। लेकिन अगर मेरे को बिल्कुल ही गन पॉइंट पे दो ऑप्शन मिले ना, आई वुड ऑब्वियसली चूज रिच एंड सिंगल, क्योंकि मेरे को पता है पैसों से मैं सर्वाइवल कर सकता हूँ, आई कैन सर्वाइव इन दिस वर्ल्ड, बट आई कैन नॉट बी लाइक आई एम नॉट एबल टू सर्वाइव जस्ट फ्रॉम लव। That's a common thing. तो इन औरतों को तो पता है भाई, 25-26 mature women, they know the importance of money. So I think you should also understand the fact कि ये looks और body you are taking care of it, that's well and good, हमेशा करनी चाहिए, because initial age पे 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 साल की लड़कियों को ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता आप कितना पैसा कमा रहे हो, फर्क पड़ता है 25, 26, 27 साल की लड़कियों को और एक्चुअली ब्यूटीफुल, उनको ज्यादा फर्क पड़ता है what you are doing in your life, because उन्होंने दुनिया देख ली कि सिर्फ प्यार से और अट्रैक्शन से नहीं चलती, you need money for survival. That's why majority of them would say yes to it. Rich and single. So think about it. I hope I made my point.
Broke and in love, rich and single.
I'll be broke and in love for sure.
Rich and single.
Rich and single.
Broke and in love.
Rich and single.
I think right now rich and single sounds nice. Rich and single.
Rich and single.
Broke and in love. I can make money, man. It's fine.
I think you should make some treadmill first and just lose some weight, like in a very positive way. I'm saying you can be pretty. You're pretty. You go girl, but you can be more pretty,
Rich and single all day, all night.
Rich and single.
Broke and in love.
What do you mean broke and in love? No, these are the same women when they turn 27 and they're like, oh, पैसे कहाँ से? पैसे वाला आदमी? Where is पैसे वाला आदमी? पैसे वाला आदमी कहाँ है? I need money. Then they break all of their rules for someone who got money. That's what happens. आपको यकीन नहीं हो रहा? मैं आपसे 27-28 साल की उम्र में बात करूंगा. That's all.
Be broke and in love. Rich and single, 100%.
Broke and in love, to be honest. The girlfriend right here.
Rich and single.
All in for the money, yeah?
No
She's so beautiful.
way. I feel like if you're in love, then only you can make money. Love with it,
What is this correlation, man?
Not like love outside.
I am currently broke and in love. I don't have a choice. Rich.
See. Never be this man.
Broke.
Never be this man. I'm pretty sure she's saying कि I'm broke and in love. ठीक है, इसको ना इस चीज की ना अंडरस्टैंडिंग है कि I am not rich. ठीक है, अब मैं आपको बताता हूँ what is my point. अब अगर इसके आदमी के पास पैसे नहीं है ना, तो just look at her looking at him when she said I am broke and in love.
And in
देखना.
love. I don't have a choice.
देख, she looked at him when she said I'm broke and in love. That absolutely means कि इसका पति अमीर नहीं है, फिर बॉयफ्रेंड अमीर नहीं है. अब मैं यूं नहीं कह रहा कि ये ब्रेकअप कर लेगी, मैं यूं कह रहा हूं कि the tendency and the chances of this woman breaking up with this man is actually increased, because the second she meets a man like him who's rich as well, she's gone. You understand? She's a goner. Women are hypergamous in nature, very hypergamous in nature. अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है ना कि 7 साल से आपको बंदी डेट कर रही है, let me scare all of you. अगर आपको लगता है कि लड़की को आप 7 साल से डेट कर रहे हो, she is all yours, let me tell you one thing. The second a man in her life comes that can give her more than you in physical way, emotional way and financial way, she's gone. क्योंकि औरतों को अपना सुपीरियर इमोशन हमेशा पसंद आएगा. आदमियों की तरह नहीं होती वो कि वो अप्रिशिएट करेंगे कि हाँ चलो ठीक है, आई लव दैट पर्सन. वो करती हैं, लेकिन गलती से भी किसी और आदमी ने आके उसके ऊपर एक इमोशनल फाइनेंशियल एक अच्छे का इम्पैक्ट डाल दिया, वो अपने पिछले आदमी को आंख बंद करके बुला देगी, बिकॉज इट्स बायोलॉजिकल नेचर टू बी हाइपरगमस. ठीक है, तो मैं कहता हूँ ना, लोंडे शौक होते हैं जो कि भाई उसने मेरे पे चीट कर लिया. नो, व्हेन women cheat on you, they cheat on a man better than you. I'm talking about good women here. I'm not talking about those women who are into hookups and all of that. Or the normal I would say is the spectrum. I'm talking about a good woman who was in love with you and she chose to sleep with someone else. Chances are कि वो अगर एक अच्छी लड़की थी ना, अगर वो किसी और के साथ सोई है, the chances of that man being better than you increases. It's definitely, there's always a bigger, better dick in the market. So that's why I always say कि हमेशा if you're a young man, please prioritize to become that bigger and better dick. You feel me? Take care of your finances, yourself, your physique, your intellect, your emotions, your clothing, your status, your car, your house. Okay, take care of all of those things and I can guarantee you one thing, तुम अगर एक औरत की लाइफ में peak masculine रहोगे ना, she would always be there for you. Okay, so that's pretty much it.
Rich and single.
Rich and single. Rich and single.
Broke and in love, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I already have love, so I'd rather be rich and then single.
Rich and single.
She already have love, so she would rather be rich and single. Wow.
Rich and single.
If you could change one thing about modern dating, what would it be? Okay, it's an interesting one. Let's see. Let me put it on 1.5x, man, because speed थोड़ी ज़्यादा हो जाएगी उससे.
If you could change one thing about modern dating, what would it be?
I feel like you need to know who the fuck you are first before you actually
थोड़ा ज़्यादा तेज हो गया. Let's put it on 1.25. Okay.
try to date someone, because otherwise both of you are just gonna ruin each other's lives and be a lesson instead of like a nice fun chapter. Guys that are still a liar because modern dating doesn't still cure liars. Fucking hell, bro, why are they still lying? Leave
दिस वुमन, मैंने आपको बोला ना, इस औरत के ऊपर फ्रस्ट्रेशन दिखती है आदमियों की. इसको ना वैसे आदमी मिल रहे जिन्होंने जिसने सबको इसको यूं करा होगा कि चल चल, समझ रहे हो, गो, एंड शी इज लाइक द लविंग वन. तो वो पिस ऑफ होगी इवेंचुअली एंड उसकी पर्सनालिटी बन गई ये वाली. So she's the byproduct of dickhead men. You feel me? So every time a new man meets her, तो ये उन आदमियों को ट्रॉमा देती होगी कि तू ऐसे कर वैसे कर. Because she is, I would say, किसी ने एक्सपीरियंस इतने ले लिए आदमियों से through dating and everything कि इसको पता है अब आदमी की नेचुरल फितरत क्या है. So dating this woman would be a project for you. Her agreeableness scale is very minimal. ठीक है. So that's why she is the type who would always argue with you. समझो. See how I was able to crack her emotions, her psyche. You feel me? आप समझ जाओगे down the line the second you understand what is going on in this world. So be observant. That would help you a lot. Let's proceed.
leave situationships back in 2024.
To start with, I would not want to date men our generation.
She's very beautiful.
End the situationships.
Remove the dating apps.
Bring back yearning and bring back like writing poems
Bring back dieting.
and shit for people.
Make it easier.
Boys,
I like modern dating. It's like I'll not change anything as such.
people lying so frequently and on your face.
So the thing is, I'll tell you one thing. Why all of the men lie? अब मैं आपको ना एक सामाजिक reply करता हूँ. The thing is, men lie because they don't want to get into the next argument. Okay, for example, if I'm sitting with my friends, ठीक है. अब अगर आपके पास ऐसी औरत है ना जो आपको ऐसे बोल रही है कि तू अपने दोस्तों के साथ मत बैठ, उठ के चला जा, ये मत कर, वीडियो कॉल कर. At that time वो आदमी ना उस औरत से प्यार करता है, तो he would lie to her. वो कह देगा कि नहीं I'm just working right now, don't talk to me. Because उसको ना वो consequence नहीं देखना कि मेरी बंदी को इमोशनल ट्रॉमास हो रहे हैं, उसके बाद मेरे को उसको समझाना पड़ेगा, उसको टेक केयर करना पड़ेगा, उसका ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. एंड ये चीज वंस इन अ वाइल इज परफेक्टली फाइन बिकॉज इट्स रिलेशनशिप. लेकिन अगर रोज हो रही है ना तो दिक्कत है. बिकॉज हम बिल्डर्स है, वी आर प्रोवाइडर्स, वी आर प्रोटेक्टर्स. हमारे पास और भी काम होते हैं. ओके, यू हैव टू गो टू द जिम, मेक श्योर अबाउट योर बिजनेस, 4 काम की भड़क और लेना. तो अब एक भड़क आ जाती है ना जिस इंसान से आप प्यार करते हो, उसके इमोशनल स्टेबिलिटी की भी, तो एवरीथिंग स्टार्ट्स टू फील लाइक अ बर्डन. ठीक है. दैट्स व्हाई मेन स्टार्ट टू लाई कि मैं यहाँ पे हूं, मैं ये कर रहा हूं. अब वो झूठ पकड़ा जाता है जब, तो औरतों के दिमाग में और खराबी होती है और दिक्कत बनती है. एंड दे स्टार्ट थिंकिंग men are liars, all they do is lie, but they never understand why they are lying. It's because you cannot provide him the emotional stability कि भाई तू अपना आराम से कर, it's perfectly fine, I am with you. तेरा जो भी कोई दिक्कत है मेरे को बस सच बोल दे, झूठ नहीं. ये क्लैरिटी रिलेशनशिप में पहले होती ही नहीं है. ठीक है. सबको अपने हिसाब से दूसरों को चलाना होता है. दैट्स व्हाई दे फेल इन रिलेशनशिप्स. आई थिंक रिलेशनशिप की एक नींव जो होती है ना वो अंडरस्टैंडिंग पे बनती है कि ये मेरी 5 चीजें हैं, आई वांट यू टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. ये मेरी 5 चीजें हैं, आई वांट यू टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. एंड आप दोनों एक मीडियल पॉइंट पे जाते हो, वहां से रिलेशनशिप बहुत प्रिटी चलता है. ठीक है. लेकिन लोगों को क्या होता है, दे ऑल दे डू इज पोर्ट्रे देयर इनसिक्योरिटी कि मेरे साथ ना ऐसे बचपन में हुआ या फिर पहले प्यार के साथ ऐसा ऐसा हुआ, नाउ मैं ऐसी ऐसी गलतियां रिपीट नहीं करूंगा तो तू मेरे हिसाब से चलेगा या मेरे हिसाब से चलेगी. उन घरों में कभी भी शांति नहीं हो सकती. मैं इससे प्यार करता हूं, इसको जो भी चीज तंग करेगी उससे मैं भी तंग होती हूँ और मैं पूरी कोशिश करूंगी इसको दूर कर पाऊं. ये घर चलते हैं. दीज आर द आई वुड से रिलेशनशिप दैट नेवर फेल्स इन द लाइफ, नेवर. ओके, so let's move forward in this video, boys.
Yes, I hate that, so I want to change that.
The modern dating scene is so fuck all because everyone just wants casual dating and that sucks dick, guys.
I think the hookup scenes and all, not into it.
These dating apps are all scammers.
Dating apps is really superficial and everything. Yeah.
I think I'd let go of the digital era and the phone. I want a love letter.
Don't fucking date. That's my
That's a very good opinion, I would say. इसका सबसे बड़ा रीजन पता है क्या है? With the digital era, अब एक नॉर्मल एवरेज लड़की के पास 4000 इंस्टाग्राम पे अकाउंट्स हैं उसके शहर के. पहले एक लड़की सिर्फ एग्जिस्ट करती थी और हमें पता होता था कि वहां पे एक लड़की है बहुत सुंदर है, वो वहां रहती है. अब हमें आईडीज पता है कि सी देयर इज दिस वुमन नेम्ड what's the prettiest I think मेरे हिसाब से सुंदर औरत तारा सुतारिया. Oh my god, what a beautiful woman. Okay, so there is this actor हो गई तो चलो सीधा not a good comparison, but there is a woman named Riddhi. राइट, who's very pretty, बहुत सुंदर, सीयू में पढ़ती है, ये है इसकी आईडी, उसकी आईडी में 7,000 लड़के, ओ माय गॉड, दैट्स द पावर ऑफ इंस्टाग्राम। अब उसके पास उन 7,000 लड़कों का एक्सेस थ्रू ऐप है, ठीक है। नाउ शी हैव 7,000 ऑप्शंस you can choose from. Now from the influencer, if I talk about, if she has 1 to 2 lakh followers, she got 2 lakh men to choose from. आपको एक क्रेजी चीज और बताता हूँ, जितने ऑप्शंस आपको लगता है ना आपके पास हैं, एक औरत के पास आपसे इवेंचुअली बहुत ज्यादा ऑप्शंस होंगे, चाहे वो ब्रेकअप में जा रही हो, चाहे वो सिंगल हो, कुछ भी चॉइस, कुछ भी हो। आप अपने आप को 30 मार खान कहते हो ना, आई थिंक इट वोंट बी हार्ड टू से कि अ मैन हु गेट्स ऑप्शंस, अगर जिस आदमी के पास ऑप्शंस है ना, और जो उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड है, अगर मैं मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द टाइम्स बात करूं तो उसकी गर्लफ्रेंड के पास ज्यादा ऑप्शंस हो गए एज कंपेयर टू दैट मैन। बट लड़कियों के साथ दिक्कत क्या होती है, दे ऑल आर ट्रैश ऑप्शंस, दैट्स व्हाई शी इज विद यू, ओके। That's the whole, I would say, vernacular. So yeah, man, that's pretty much it.
Only advice.
Maybe don't date everyone in the city and then try to find your true love, because that's not going to work out. Just stick to one person, find one person and make them your true love. Situation too.
Bro, honestly, modern dating doesn't feel like dating. There's no love left.
People not wanting to commit.
People need to be loyal. I think casual dating or like one night stand. I don't understand that thing. Yeah.
Okay.
No more cheating.
Dating apps, because they're just ruining the vibe. People are just getting in.
I'll tell you one thing. I'll tell you one crazy thing. All of the people who are saying dating apps, they are the one, you know, life में एक बार जो try करा ही होगा, and you know how it goes. So if a woman is saying that dating apps is the reason why the relationship is not right, it's probably because she has been there. Think about it. She has been there, right? तो इसमें usually कुछ नहीं होता भाई. Dating apps is basically like hookup culture, I would say, कि आप जाओगे, आप बात करोगे, you feel interested, and then you meet in a club, in a party, in a room, in a house party, whatever it is. And most of the times, I would say, it leads to sex. Most of the times, given you have good profile and everything, I think यही होता है. But coincidentally, एक दो केस होते हैं कि you tend to fall in a relationship, but मेरे हिसाब से वो चलता नहीं है. Because dating platforms पे आप जब आते हो, जब आप थक हार चुके होते हो दुनिया से, and you need fun now, you need newness, ठीक है? तो वो newness थोड़ी सी और ही जाती है लड़कियों के लिए. But anyways, let's proceed further in this video, man.
Infatuated to each other, but they're not actually going to the real qualities that they have. So yeah,
One night stand.
Is emotional cheating worse
Oh, that's an important question, man.
than physical cheating?
Both. I think they're both worse.
I feel that physical cheating is worse than emotional cheating.
No, that's not true. I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why emotional cheating is worse than physical cheating. अब देखो, for a woman, all she's about is her emotions, ठीक है? And वो अगर एक अच्छी लड़की है, my point, अगर वो एक अच्छी लड़की है, and she is cheating on you, the chances of that man increases कि वो आपसे better होगा, ठीक है? That's the thing. So I absolutely feel like कि physical cheating, I would say, आदमी चीट आउट करता है प्रॉपर लफ्ट के बेसिस से. मैं अब आपको ना मॉरली नहीं बता रहा ये चीज, मैं प्रैक्टिकली बता रहा हूँ जो होता है. एक आदमी चीट करता है प्रॉपर लफ्ट के बेसिस पे, ठीक है? एक औरत चीट करती है व्हेन शी नोज द मैन शी इज स्लीपिंग इज बेटर, एंड आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट अ गुड मैन एंड अ गुड वुमन, ठीक है, जो साथ में रिलेशनशिप में थे. दैट्स हाउ द चीटिंग डायनामिक गोज, ठीक है? तो अब दैट्स द थिंग. तो मेरे हिसाब से ना, अगर आप इमोशनली चीट कर रहे हो ना, ठीक है, एज अ मैन और एज अ वुमन, मैं उसको प्रॉपर कहूंगा कि दैट्स चीटिंग, बिकॉज आपने प्यार किसी को दिखाया है, ठीक है, पर आप कर किसी और को रहे हो. तो दैट्स चीटिंग, दैट्स चीटिंग. इफ यू हैड सेक्स विद अ वुमन जस्ट टू हैव सेक्स विद अ वुमन, मैं कहूंगा कहीं ना कहीं कि चलो ठीक है, इट्स, देखो अब इस बात पे ना अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल वुड गेट कि चीटिंग इज चीटिंग. आई मीन डेफिनेटली यस, बट मेरा पॉइंट सिर्फ ये था कॉन्ट्रास्ट का. व्हेन अ वुमन चीट, शी चीट्स ऑन बोथ ऑफ द लेवल्स, फिजिकल एंड इमोशनल. व्हेन अ मैन चीट्स, chances are he just cheated because he was physically lustful, that's all. So the cheating, what, so don't you think the cheating औरतें करती है, it's worse. जब आदमी करता है वो सिर्फ लस्ट के लिए करता है, जब औरत करती है she does it for both emotions and lust. उस दोनों में superiority दिखी, that's why the woman cheated on you. So it's worse for a man, ठीक है? That's my point. It's worse for a man. Cheating is worse for a man than it is for a woman. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's gonna be worse for a woman अगर वो लड़का जिसका सेक्स करके आया उसका प्यार भी उतना ही करता है, then I would say it's equally worse for a woman as well, ठीक है? और अगर सिर्फ एक औरत सेक्स कर ले, आप देखना ऐसा कभी होता ही नहीं है यूजुअली, ठीक है? That's my point. A good woman would just never go just for sex, ठीक है? She would always have sex with a man जो उसको emotionally or physically भी, I would say, cherish कर सकता है, ठीक है? So that's the thing. She would always cheat with someone better. Men cheat just because they're horny. That's the thing. I hope I get it. I get it. I hope you get it. That's all.
Emotionally, sometimes people can take worse decisions based on emotions. But when it comes to physical cheating, you know that you're going to do something. Like, that's an action that you're going forward with. That's the point.
I think both are bad. Just don't do both. If you're thinking of it, just leave the person and then do whatever you want. Both are bad.
I think I have
दैट्स ट्रू, दैट्स इवन अ बेटर अप्रोच कि अगर आपको ये चीज करनी है तो आप क्लियर करो। देखो दिक्कत बनती है जब आप झूठ बोलते हो रिलेशनशिप में। आप झूठ मत बोलो, आप सच रहोगे ना, आप बेटर रहोगे। दैट्स माय पॉइंट। शी वाज राइट। या तो करो ही मत, कर रहे हो तो बता दो, ठीक है? क्यों किसी का ट्रस्ट ब्रेक करना है? दैट्स ऑल।
A more complicated answer for this, which is cheating doesn't happen in a
इसको देखो कितना कुछ पता है डेटिंग मार्केट के बारे में। थिंक अबाउट इट, शी probably got more options than an average man who has abs and lives in Bihar. She probably, no disrespect to that, it was just a example, but look at her. She looks like she ate 3 refrigerators the second she woke up. She looks like a planet is taking an interview. She looks like she would eat the mic as well. And look at her, how her mouth is open. It looks like she needs a burger right now as well. Am I fat shaming? Yes, I am, bitch. I am. I'm just kidding. So sorry. I love you. Anyways, let's proceed.
vacuum. So you got to figure out why it happened. So I can't say which one is worse, but they both need to be addressed.
I feel emotional cheating is more bad.
Right. See, this woman gets it. This woman gets it. Emotional cheating is bad. Emotional cheating is bad. This woman gets it.
Because men usually cheat with their dicks.
She is very right. Think about it. What I said. मैं ना अपनी कोई भी वीडियो देखता ही नहीं हूँ। रिकॉर्ड करने से पहले I watch 0 videos. मेरे को टाइटल इंटरेस्टिंग लगा, then I watch it. And then I give my POV so that you guys can learn from it. See, मैंने सेम बात बोली and both of these are impressed because they know it's the truth. she's a very understanding woman, man.
Emotional cheating sucks because if we girls did the same thing, it would hurt the shit out of them.
Yes, it's very
Exactly what I said. Think about it. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है ना कभी कभार मेरे को कितना पता है and people prove it to me. That isn't the exact same thing I said पहले. She knew it. Hence proof, bro.
thoughtful, very painful.
Physical cheating is worse than emotional cheating. I don't think so that.
This bro. No big dick energy in this man for some reason, bro. पता नहीं क्यों.
Anything could be on top of physical cheating.
Emotional cheating is worse because before the physical cheating comes emotional cheating. So I think it's
Yeah. Good. She also knows.
Emotional cheating and physical cheating is totally different, but it's all cheating at the end of the day.
physical cheating is worse. Emotional cheating, I think I take him to therapy. Emotional cheating is worse.
Emotional cheating.
Why?
Because that's when it matters.
Cheating is cheating, both bad.
Emotional. Yeah, because it's more like related to the heart.
If you fall in love with someone else, I think that's worse. They're worse equally.
Look at them. Always the ones like this who hates on love.
Someone else, I think that's worse.
Look at her laughing. Crazy ass women, man. भाई कितने सुंदर लग रही हैं दोनों। समझ रहे हो? They look so pretty. Look at them. They all are so pretty as well. What are you thinking? मैं इनकी बेइज्जती करूंगा? आप इतना गंदा क्यों सोच रहे हो? All 3 of them are very beautiful. I would marry this woman. What are you talking about? Look at her. She's so gorgeous. Look at her. When you look in her eyes, you would actually see that she's looking somewhere else. Anyways, let's proceed, man.
Someone else, I think that's worse. They're worse equally.
Yeah, actually, both of them are worse. Cheating in general is worse. I think you're cheating with yourself if you're trying to cheat.
I think physical cheating is worse.
Why?
Because it's physical. Like it's,
Bro got everything but game. I don't know why. I feel like it. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है ये औरत इसको डोमिनेट करती होगी for some reason. मेरे को दिख जाता है टोन और इंटेंट से। एक आदमी जब ऑरा रेडिएट करता है ना, उसकी औरत पे दिख जाता है. That's the thing.
you can put value to it. Like I mean, something's happened. So yeah.
Physical cheating. Physical cheating.
This woman. ये बंदी इतना भरा बैठी है भाई। इस बंदी को किन आदमियों ने डेट करा है? बेचारे को प्यार नहीं कराया तुम लोगों ने भाई। What the F? Look at her. ये ओपिनियनेटेड औरत है, ये भरी बैठी हुई है कि मेरे को ये ओपिनियन देना ही है। Look at her, man. So let's proceed further, bro.
Is not worse than emotional cheating. Sorry, I had to take it back. Emotional cheating is the worst.
She gets it now.
I think y'all are assholes if y'all don't understand what is the key to the women's heart. Yeah.
Emotional cheating is the worst. I swear.
Get the fuck out of here.
Oh, teri fun.
Does body count matter in a relationship?
Absolutely. It does.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
No.
Yeah, I think so. It does if you're talking about a woman.
It doesn't matter at all, actually. Because it's your past, and the past never mattered as long as.
Okay, man. I would love to see you date a woman who's a body count of 70. Would you? No, body count actually represents कि या तो आपके पार्टनर्स में गलती है या फिर सिर्फ आप में ही गलती है. If you actually think about it. अगर एक लड़की का बॉडी काउंट 20 है ना, मैं उससे पहला सवाल ये पूछूंगा कि तेरा बॉडी काउंट 20 है, परफेक्टली फाइन, तेरे पास्ट रिलेशनशिप्स में हुआ क्या था? ठीक है. अब फॉर एग्जाम्पल वो क्या कहेगी? एक आदमी ऐसा था, 2 आदमी ऐसे थे, 3 आदमी ऐसे थे, 20 आदमी वैसे थोड़ी होंगे. कुछ ना कुछ तो गलत कर रही होगी कि इतने आदमियों के बाद भी शी कैन नॉट कमिट टू एनीवन. कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम होगी ना उसकी. सो हाई बॉडी काउंट इज एन इंडिकेटर ऑफ लेस इमोशनल emotional stability. Low body count is an indicator of that person has the capability to fucking commit to you. Right? If a person cannot commit to you, he would obviously try and test. वो बंकी ब्रांचिंग की लूप में फंस जाता है फिर कि इससे प्यार नहीं मिल रहा तो कोई बात, चलो इससे ले लें, इससे भी नहीं, कोई और and that person ends up becoming emotionally dead because 20वें आदमी तक तो प्यार की फीलिंग खत्म हो जाएगी, सिर्फ दिमाग चल रहा होगा. That's the thing. प्यार पहली बार जब हुआ था आपको कितना क्रेजी इंटेंसिटी पे हुआ, वैसे दूसरी बार नहीं हुआ होगा, तीसरी बार हुआ होगा अंडरस्टैंडिंग के साथ कि चलो हाँ प्यार ऐसे करते हैं. लेकिन जब प्यार हुआ था तो सोचो पहली बार कितनी इंटेंसिटी पे हुआ था, वो सेम इंटेंसिटी 20वें बॉडी काउंट पे नहीं आएगी. That's the thing. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. अभी 1 मिनट की और बची है. Let's see the opinion of people. I hope I was able to give mine.
Invested in the future.
I mean, honestly, it's not that deep. You have a past, you do whatever you did. When you're with someone, how you are, that's all that matters. Very honestly. If you matter your body counts 1 or like 100, it doesn't really matter. No, it doesn't. No, shouldn't.
No?
No. Not really, not at all.
No, it is experience.
Look at them, all of them denying it. How she has a burger count of 2 lakhs. Yeah.
Yes.
G of the week. This man is a G of the week. मेरे को
No, it is
opinionated,
experience.
मेरे को ना opinionated लड़के अच्छे लगते हैं.
Yes.
इसके अंदर ना पावर है भाई.
It's really about who you are.
आप
when you're
समझ
with
रहे हो?
someone's experience.
इसके अंदर पावर है, इस बंदे के अंदर पावर है. Look at her, looking at him. Opinionated आदमी के पास पावर होती है. Look at them looking at him. No, क्योंकि इसको पता था कि नहीं. That's not the answer. He wants to hit. That's why I said, yeah, body count doesn't matter. He is a man. He's like, no, it doesn't. Listen to me. It does matter. He's a man. That's why I talk like this. Fun. अगर आप opinionated हो सकते हो ना bro, you are a baller. You're a G. He's a G of the week. So yeah, appreciation for him. Let's move forward.
Yes.
Everyone has a past. It's really about who you are when you're with someone and just honoring that commitment, and everything outside of that is up to you. But again, at your discretion of how you want to treat yourself.
No. No fucking way. Not at all.
I don't think so.
Not really, because if somebody asks us, we are going to get fucked. No. Not really, but before the relation, so it doesn't matter to me.
It does after a certain number.
She's a very beautiful woman. Look at her. Standards होते हैं ये. It does after a certain number.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it does.
It shouldn't matter. It shouldn't matter. It
Say yes, don't lie. Say yes.
You tell me, it shouldn't matter.
It doesn't matter to me, but to him, it matters.
Yeah.
Of course not. Who counts that? I mean, like, if the boy is loyal and he's changing himself, then it's fine.
What should be a partner's ideal body count? Man, video's getting interesting.
What should be a partner's ideal body count?
0, 1, 2.
देखा standard.
What should
Standard.
be a partner's ideal body count?
0.
Standards. Look at how pretty she is. Standard है इसका. तो लॉन्डो का स्टैंडर्ड होता है ना कि 0 बॉडी काउंट वाला चाहिए या फिर वाला चाहिए तो स्केप्टिक हो जाएगा. So 0 बॉडी काउंट वाली जो सोसाइटी अटैक्स हिम कि नो, लुक एट योरसेल्फ, आर यू द वन 0 बॉडी काउंट, ब्ला 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 ब्ला. नहीं, वो मेरा स्टैंडर्ड है, बात खत्म. मैंने क्या की वो मैटर नहीं करता, मेरा स्टैंडर्ड है वो. आई एम अ मैन, आई हैव मेड मिस्टेक्स, आई हैव डन एनीथिंग, व्हाटएवर आई हैव डन, आई गेट टू हैव द राइट टू हैव अ स्टैंडर्ड. Who are you to say anything? अब सीधा रिप्लाई करा करो, ठीक है? If your standard is a virgin woman, keep that standard, irrespective of आपका खुद का कितना है, ठीक है? Because you remember I made a video on why monogamy is a lie. I explained every single thing. जहाँ मैंने समझाया था कि why on a societal level इतना आदमी को affect नहीं करेगा जितना औरत को करेगा. On the emotional level इतना आदमी को affect नहीं करेगा जितना औरत को करेगा. That's what I talked about, ठीक है? So she understands the standard. I respect that woman कि उसको ऐसा लड़का चाहिए. I would respect a man as well जिसको ऐसा लड़का चाहिए, क्योंकि आप अपने peak standards के हिसाब से अपना partner demand कर रहे हो. So there is no problem in it. It's absolutely fine. Plus for this woman.
1, 2, 1, 4 to 5, maybe like 10 or 15.
10 or 15, yeah.
12 to 15, yeah, exactly.
अब देखो the reason why they said 12 to 15 is because first of all these women have had sex. I'll be very honest with you, not like disrespectful way, I'm being honest with all of you, ठीक है? 10-15 क्यों? Because they deem sexual activities, a man who can have 15 women, they know he's gonna be something, he can be something, ठीक है? A woman always date a man जिसके पास options होते हैं. If he has options, he's good at what he's doing, he's good at being a man, he's good at validating women. That's why उसके पास 15 औरतें थी. He's good at it. That's why they're attracted to that fact, that primal fact. ठीक है? Even though 15 on a woman as a body count is absolutely, I don't want to say it. Anyways.
15, yeah, exactly.
It could be infinity. It's okay.
What the
Bro.
I'm not that brave, but yeah.
0. Yeah, I'd love a 0. 5, I guess, I don't know. 5, 4, 10.
So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. It was a fun video, man. I'm gonna see you in the next one. In peace. ध्यान रखो. Take care. And I'm gonna be dropping these absolute bangers on every single day basis. मिलते हैं कल की वीडियो के लिए. तब तक के लिए take care. Get inside my Telegram channel, boys. I'm posting daily bangers on finances. You know how you should approach women, dating philosophy, every single thing. And पता है मैं चाहता हूँ कि एक चीज करके देखो, आपको जब पता चलेगा. एक बार ज्वाइन करके देखो. अगर आपको वहां के वॉइस नोट्स और मैसेज वैल्यूएबल नहीं लगे, खुद लीव मार देना. ये छुट्टी दे रहा हूं मैं आपको. ठीक है. So that's pretty much it for this video. I'm gonna see you in the next one, and then peace. ध्यान रखो. Take care.